Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss direct speech and indirect speech. Right? We have already discussed about direct speech and indirect speech in our previous class. So, while discussing, we came to know that while making indirect speech, we write if whether that to phi instead of inverted comma. That means instead of inverted comma, we write that if whether 2 and 5. 5 means 0, we don't write. And the clue is if this sentence in inverted comma is a declarative sentence or a statement or an assertive sentence, we use that instead of inverted comma. Right? Next, if the sentence in inverted comma is an imperative sentence, we use to instead of inverted comma. Right? If the sentence in inverted comma is yes no question, we use if or whether instead of inverted comma. Right? And if the sentence in inverted comma is an exclamatory sentence, there we use that instead of inverted comma. And we generally change the tense form as the tense of the reporting verb. And sometimes we don't change if the sentence in inverted comma refers to general truth, scientific fact and habitual fact. Second, we change the pronoun. What are the pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the pronouns. Could you understand it? Now let's do some examples. Activity 5, look at your book. Please look at your book. A famous magician has arrived in your city. A famous magician has arrived. Jane jadukar, prasiddha jadukar has arrived. Has arrived means has present tense. And this is the aspect, perfect aspect. पहुंची चंती. A famous magician has arrived in your city and just presented his first performance. परिवेशन करछन्ती, प्रथम परिवेशन देइछन्ती. The show has proved to be very popular. प्रसिद्ध हेइछे. This is what the different newspapers had to say about. आउ विभिन्न प्रकार न्यूज़पेपर संवाद पत्र आकु रिपोर्ट करछन्ती. The show is brilliant. Who reported? The Samaj. The Samaj. This is the reporting part and this is the reported speech. Now, it is a statement we shall use that instead of inverted comma. So here, the Samaj remarked that आमे एटी उठे देले एटी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा उठे देले that लिखि देले that right that the reported that inverted comma removed. Yes, that this show was will become what? Was is will become was. This show was brilliant. Could you understand? The Samaj reported or remarked Right?
The show was brilliant.
That
The
show was brilliant. We shall already done. The show was brilliant. Brilliant. Right. Next. It made me laugh and cry. The Sambada commented that the Sambada. Look at it. Remove inverted comma, right? That. Next. Made past tense ଦେଇଛି. Past simple ला कौन ହେଇଯିବ? Had ହେଇଯିବ. Right? That it had made. Made will become had made. So the Sambada reported. Tell me. Reported.
commented.
Or reported that yes,
It
it
had
had
made him
what?
laugh and cry.
Laugh, use laugh and cry. Okay. Next one. What is the? We can't remember a better show. The Dharitri. The Dharitri viewed or reported, or you can write whatever. So let's remove first inverted comma. Inverted comma removed. Yes. Then we shall use that. Right? We can't. We will become they. They can't. They. Right? They. Then can't will be couldn't. So, but
Remember it.
the Dharitri, tell me, the,
Dharitri
just 1 minute. Dharitri, reported that they could not tell. They could not remember a better show. Right? Full stop. Next one is you shall love it. The Prajatantra reported that here remove that
emphatically.
leave it. Always write reported. That one must love it. One must love it. No. Let's write it. That the Prajatantra reported that we would love it. Next. And last one, you should not miss it. The Dinalipi said that we should not remove inverted comma, use that. The Dinalipi reported that we should not miss it. Or we can say this advice not to miss this show. Should not miss it. Next one is activity. You can't threaten me like that. I know my right. Okay.
The activity 8.
Okay, we shall do it. Just 1 minute. Next, activity 6. Change the sentences below into the reported speech. Replace the word said used in the sentence by one of the verbs given below. Use each verb only once. What are given? से कौची सेठी बदली ए वार्ड गुड़ाक आम व्यवहार करिपारिबा. प्रोटेस्टेड प्रतिवाद करिबा, वार्नड सतर्क करिबा, सजेस्टेड उपदेश देवा परामर्श देवा, एडमिटेड माने ग्रहण करिबा मानिबा, साउटेड पार्टी करिबा, इनसिस्टेड जोर देई कहबा जिद्दी करी कहबा, बोस्टेड गर्वर कहबा, एक्सक्लेम्ड आश्चर्य होइजिया, मटेड खनेई कहबा, क्लेम्ड एग्रीड ऑब्जेक्टेड. So here let's do it. You can't threaten me like that. I know my rights, the old man said. Could understand? So we will use that the old man protested. The old man
Protested.
the just said will protested. Yes, just 1 minute. The old man protested. Protested. Right? The old man protested that inverted comma बदली we shall use that tell it. Yes, the old man protested
That
that he could not he could not threaten him like that. He knew his rights. Okay, done. Next one is this man does not know what he is talking about, said someone in the audience. Hello. So someone in the audience objected that. Here said to, instead of said to, we shall write objected. Objected. Someone in the audience objected that man didn't know what he was talking about. Right? Next one is number 3. Yes, just one.
double is it?
Yes. Number 3. No, let's finish this work first. She said we can go to movies some other day.
She suggested.
She suggested to finish the work first. Suggested, yes. Convincing them that they could go to the movies some other day. Next one is I can write a novel in a month, said the man. The man boasted, गर्वर सहित कहला. Said बदली कौन wasted लगिला. Instead of said boasted is used. So the man, just 1 minute. Tell me. Man boasted. The man boasted that he could write a novel. He could write a novel in a month. Right? Full stop. Next one is stand up now or I shall beat you, said the teacher. The teacher warned.
warned
The teacher warned to beat the boy unless the teacher warned the boys to stand up then, or he would beat him, beat them. Next, say the teacher. Next one is the book you are reading is my property. The man said. The man claimed that the book I was reading was his property. Could you understand? What did I say? The man claimed that the book I was reading was his property. If they can't hand in the assignment today, they simply must hand it in tomorrow, said the principal. The principal insisted that they must hand in the assignment. Hand. Yes, hand in the assignment that day. If they could not do that the next day. Okay, now let's move to the next one. What is 8? Well, the car has broken down. We cannot repair it now. Yes, the driver shouted that the car had broken down and they could not repair that then. Next one is 9. Yes, I hit the boy with the school bag, the girl said. The girl admitted that she had hit the boy with her school bag. Question number 10. We shall always be loyal to our country, said the children. The children agreed that they should be loyal to their country. Next one is 11. What a surprise to find him here today, they said. They exclaimed that it was a great surprise to find them there that day. Next, 12. I don't have enough resources to build the house, said the man. The man muttered that he had not enough resources to repair the house. Next, choose suitable adverbs.
Activity 7.
7. Yes, activity 7. Choose the suitable adverbs from the list below and use them while reporting the following statements. The first one has been done for you. Passionately, defiantly, agreeably, sharply, accusingly, patiently, sarcastically, angrily. So, number 1. I shall always love you, the young boy said. The young boy passionately said that he would always love her. Next one is question number 2. I thought you said you were ill yesterday, she said. So he agreeably thought that he had been ill the previous day. So yesterday became previous day. Next, you can go to the devil, the boy said. The boy angrily said that he could go to the devil. Next, I think we were having a wonderful party, he said. He sarcastically said that this one. I think we are having a wonderful party, he said. He sarcastic that they were having a wonderful party. Yes, next. 5. You think you are God, don't you? She said. So she said accusingly that he thought himself God. Next, 6. Let's try again, shall we? It is rather difficult, the teacher said. So the teacher suggested patiently to try again, for it was rather difficult. Question number 7. Don't keep asking such silly questions, the husband said. The husband told defiantly not to keep asking such silly questions. Mind your own business, the stranger said. The stranger told me sharply to mind my own business. Next, that is 8. What is 8 number? Let's see. Last Sunday, you met your cousin Harish. Here are some of the things Harish said to you. Harish said, who said? Harish said, I would like to go to a good college, but my parents cannot afford the fees. So, Harish said that he would like to go to
a good college.
yes. But his parents could not offer the money. So inverted comma removed. What did I say? Inverted comma removed. Right? Instead that he inverted comma removed. That he would go like to go to a good college, but my here it will become his parents could not, cannot will become could not afford the fees. Next one is I am living with a friend now and working part time. Harish said that he was. What did I say? That he was. I am will become he was living with a friend. Then he said that he was living with a friend. Then now will become then and working part time. Inverted comma removed. Next one. I am enjoying my work. Harish said that inverted comma that he was enjoying his work. Enjoying his work. Right. Next one. Question number 4. Yes. My bicycle was stolen a few days ago. That will be. He said that had been. My will become here inverted comma instead of inverted comma that. My bicycle become his bicycle. His bicycle was will become had been stolen a few days ago. Before a few days ago will become before. Right? That means Harish said that his bicycle had been stolen a few days before. Next question. My friend has got a scholarship to study abroad. He said that his friend that my will become his. He said that his friend has will become had got a scholarship to study abroad. He said that his friend had got a scholarship to study abroad. I shall tell my mother that I met you. He said that he would. I will become here that I will become he. Shall will become would tell my mother that I had met you. That I had met you. Met you. Could understand it? So you wanted to tell your mother the same day what Harish said to you. You reported a speech. Next, this one. It's done. These are the things we have done. Now let's move. That is 9. Imagine that you are a journalist and that you had to report a school debate. The topic for the debate was children should be encouraged to watch television. Some speakers supported the topic while others opposed it. The main arguments are summarized below. Topic: children should be encouraged to watch television. For, against. Right? So we will do this one in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.